Hey guys, Chantal here. So today I'm actually going to be stylizing and shooting a muffin, a cute little muffin. So this was my first image, okay? It's like, it's okay. I wasn't super pleased with it. Unfortunately, my husband and I ate all the muffins. So I'm making a new batch of muffins to shoot. And that's something I've learned while stylizing these shots, the day that I shot that, I didn't feel super like creatively, like, I wasn't all the way there as far as my creative juices go. And so I've been able to since think about it and think what I could do to improve. And so today, like I said, I'm doing a new version of that shot because it's going in a cookbook. And I feel like any image that goes into a cookbook should be drool worthy. So they're finishing up. I'm gonna go get them and I'm gonna show you guys my setup because you can seriously shoot the coolest shots at home. So like I said, you can literally shoot anywhere with anything as long as you know how to work with the light. I'm in a studio apartment, and so the light here, like there's these windows probably like, I don't know, they're taller than me. I'm not super tall, but they're taller than me. And all this light, like I never have my light on during the day, and it's incredible. It's the perfect place to shoot because like the white on the cabinets, it acts as a reflector, and so it bounces off, and so I'm able to get really good light in here if I shoot like midday or whatever. So I'm literally sitting in my kitchen. Here's a piece of reclaimed wood that I stained and I have right here. This is a piece of my husband's desk that actually broke off. So like you can see like weird little things, and I just edit those out, and I'm just literally on my kitchen table. So the recipe for these muffins are what they're called. They're actually, it's my mom's recipe for the cinnamon muffins, and they basically taste like Christmas, and they're incredible. And so that's what I made, and the reason I made those is because one, I really like them, and two, they look good. When you take a picture of them, I think they're cute, and they look good. So basically, as far as my props go, I have a setup. I have an idea in my head of what I want. I do want the muffin to be the main thing in focus. The image, I guess you could say my style is more of like I don't do like bright and airy. I do like darker, warmer colors and like darker tones and stuff. And so you have to be super careful when making a cookbook because, I don't know, you still need to make it look really good and drool worthy. I seriously don't mind my dirty sink. The reason I made 12, it's my favorite part about shooting and stylizing food. I get to eat whatever I want. Now the hard part is choosing the perfect muffin. This one looks pretty good. Where's my camera? There we go. That one, it does not look bad. He's actually a really cute muffin. Okay, but is he the best? See, this one's tall. Oh, see, that one had a little bummer accident. Okay, we're gonna go with this muffin. Okay, so basically what I'm planning on doing is having this guy in the focus right here, and having those in the background. And also to get the effect that I want, I'm gonna do some sprinkling of cinnamon. So I have my cinnamon right here. I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle around. All right, so I'm literally just gonna take the cinnamon, and I literally just want to like sprinkle it around, get some cinnamon on that. There, that's probably like my favorite part. All right, so we're just getting ready to get this shot. As far as what gear I use to do what am I doing? I use a Canon 60D. My lens, I use a 24-70 lens. And it's actually a Tamron. And I could honestly probably choose a prime lens, but I use this thing for everything. It's a wide angle lens, and so it allows me to get the entire thing without going too far away. And also goes down to 2.8 for the aperture, and so I get that bokeh and blur that I want. But yeah, this is my baby lens. Tamron 24-70. It's comparable to Canon. I've used both. This one is a little more on the affordable side, and honestly, I don't notice the difference. Besides like the strip right here, this one's gold. Canon I think has a red strip or something like that.